Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Firebase Authentication provides hosted sign-in methods and secure user management. It reduces backend work and improves security posture quickly. Start by enabling providers in the Firebase console and configuring OAuth consent for Google. Firebase issues ID tokens and handles session persistence automatically on web and mobile. Libraries manage token refresh and offline sessions so you avoid manual cookie hacks. You will still enforce server security using the ID token and security rules for Firestore and storage access. Install the Firebase SDK with npm install Firebase at 9 and import modular methods. Use import, initialize app from Firebase/app and import, get auth from Firebase/auth. Initialize with API key, auth domain, project ID, and the app-level configuration object from the console. Enable email/password and Google providers in authentication settings before testing. For Google, add your OAuth redirect URI and web client ID. Test in development with localhost and then register production domains in the console. Use create user with email and password and sign in with email and password for email/password flows. Call sign in with pop-up or sign in with redirect for Google and handle the credential result properly. After sign in, call get ID token to retrieve the ID token for authenticated server calls. Attach the ID token in the authorization header as bearer when calling your backend. Validate ID tokens on the server using the Firebase admin SDK to check UID and claims. Enforce Firestore security rules and storage rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.